Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by gathering untreated cedar or pine, 1/2 plywood, waterproof wood glue, 1/8 drill bits, and non-toxic paint. Cut front and back panels to 8 by 6 inches and side panels to 6 by 5 inches. The base should be 5 by 5 inches. Once cut, mark and drill a 1/2 to 3/4 entrance hole centered near the top of the front. Pre-drill small drainage and ventilation holes, then sand all rough edges so the birds won't get injured. Next, assemble the house. Apply waterproof wood glue to seams, clamp panels square, and drive 1 screws through pre-drilled holes. Once done, seal all exterior seams with exterior-grade silicone, but make sure to leave tiny ventilation gaps of about 1/8 inch near the roofline to regulate temperature. Paint only the outside with 1 coat of non-toxic, light-colored paint to reflect heat. Make sure the entrance has no protruding perch. Hummingbirds prefer a flush opening, and you'll reduce predator access. To finish, mount the house 5 to 6 feet high on a shaded post or tree limb, facing away from prevailing winds and 30 to 40 feet from nectar feeders and dense flower patches. Once mounted, monitor monthly. Clear debris, reseal any gaps, and touch up paint as needed. If you don't see hummingbirds, make sure you're not disturbing the area. If needed, change height or orientation to increase shade. One key troubleshooting tip: if nests fail, check ventilation and drainage first, then adjust placement.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.